Temple bells ringing in the dark.
Mind sharp,
Spirit ready.
no fear now.
No fear now. Black belt focus when I enter the storm. Every move precise, every tactic transform. Truth to my hand like a blade of light. Calm in the chaos when the pressure ignite. They train us blind, but the veil got torn. Now a new generation finally reborn. Study every rule, every hidden play. Turn wisdom into power every single day.
When pressure hits, we don't break.
Built by discipline,
Wide awake,
move with precision.
line by line,
Strategic mind.
we rise in time. Truth and justice. Truth and justice.
Signals on the screen while the city is asleep. People learning fast, now the knowledge run deep. Every move calculated, every step aligned. Spirit and intelligence combined in the mind. No panic in the fire, no fear in the smoke. Millions waking up, now the silence broke. Training every day till the vision clear. Truth moving forward and the future near.
Train the spirit, train the mind. Power hidden deep inside. Rise together, stand away. Nothing strong was built from hate. When pressure hits, we don't fall.
Focus mind,
Standing tall
through the storm.
through the night.
Truth and wisdom.
Unified, truth and justice. Truth and justice.
Calm mind, steady hands. The strongest warrior.
Master.